What's up everyone, it is Probus here back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the TCL 55Q550G TV. So it's a 55-inch QLED 4K TV with the Google TV operating system in it. I'm going to put it like downstairs, so this is probably going to be, this is like a new kind of video. Like this is probably one of my first ever TV like reviews / unboxings on this channel, so yeah, hopefully you enjoy watching this video. Let's unbox it and take a look at it. So, the TV just arrived at my house from Best Buy delivery. So, that's right, Best Buy delivered this TV to my house. TCL Google TV 55-inch. This is 55Q550G, whatever. Can't believe that. Pretty crazy. Alright everyone, so I carried it downstairs. As you can see, this is just around the TV. There's the box of it. So put it in the basement. So there was a Samsung TV here, which was moved like all the way upstairs in the bedroom. And then I got a TCL Roku TV, which I put here. But then I returned the Roku TV because there was a better deal on this TV. It was cheaper and had a nicer remote, so I guess it has a nicer remote, so yeah. So while I was waiting for this TV to arrive, I didn't want to carry the Samsung TV back downstairs, so I just got my old computer monitor, plugged my Xbox into it, and yeah. And that Samsung TV has a Roku Express 4K Plus on it. And in the living room, there's a Samsung Crystal UHD 75-inch, so. And that plasma TV was like a 50-inch, so this is basically going to be the third TV that's going to be used. So there's going to be 3 actively used TV sets in this house. So let's unbox this now. Let's move these zip ties. I'm gonna unbox this real quick off camera. Alright, so I finally got tape, like whatever you call it, finally got it cut. So now it's like I'm just gonna view the remote, and that's it. I'm just gonna take the TV out. I'm gonna do that in the afternoon when my dad gets home. So you go to the stands. Let's just take a look at this. Oh my god, this is a really nice remote, everyone. Look at that. I would say it's kind of better. I would say it might be better than the TCL Roku TV remote. Like the TCL Roku TV remotes is like worse than the normal Roku remotes for some reason. But anyways, it's still nice though. But look at that, that's a nice remote. And now that's pretty much it. Comes with batteries, power cable, some screws for the wall mount stuff, and I guess a user manual, whatever it is. Alright everyone, so this is the TV I'm talking about, the plasma TV upstairs. So this used to be downstairs first, but now this is now in my dad's bedroom. Not my bedroom, but yeah, it's just a Samsung plasma TV. I think it's 50 inches, 720p TV. This is the Roku remote. This has a Roku Express 4K Plus in it. That's Roku Media Player. Was that Windows Media Player? Yep, I use Windows 7, so. But anyways, that's the TV upstairs. You know, pretty nice. This was downstairs, but now I have TCL TV that's gonna be downstairs. This is the downstairs TV, the Samsung 4K 75-inch Crystal 4K UHD TV. Super big. This is the living room TV. Alright everyone, so we removed like this cardboard and like this foam packaging. So now that's the TV itself right here. So I guess you just gotta lift this cardboard, and then it will like cardboard comes out, and that's gonna be the TV. We lift the TV out. We're gonna put like these mounts on the back of the TV, and then mount it on here. This is the Wii sensor bar. I don't think I have to like. I'll just bring it down just in case. The Wii sensor bar. So now I rearranged some things. Put the TV on here. Move that monitor. Yeah, pretty crazy. Yeah, look at this nice remote though. Super nice remote. Like, there's TCL batteries in here too. By the way, boom, look at that. TCL branded remotes. I mean batteries. Yeah, I would say this remote is better than the Roku TV version remote. It has the only button I'm going to use out of these 6 is the YouTube button. That's probably the only thing I'm going to watch on here is YouTube. But yeah, look at that. That's gonna run. This is a tall remote as well. Like this is actually really tall, like or slash long, whatever I'm supposed to call it. But yeah, pretty nice. I might put a custom launcher on here as well because I don't like the ads on the Google TV launcher. The Google TV also known as it's Android TV. There's Android in this TV, so. But yeah, everyone. Can't believe that it's now the afternoon as well. My dad's finally here, so we could set this thing up. Of course, I'm using my Google account to set this up. So yeah, I removed this cardboard part of the box. And now I guess you have to lift the TV out and stuff like that. And I guess you take this plastic off. Or I guess you lift it first, the plastic off. So. Really crazy. TV is now set up. Everything's ready. I put some custom launchers on it as well. As you can see, it's all nicely mounted and stuff. Look at that. So my Wii's connected now. Hold on, let me organize first. Alright, I've got everything organized. So it looks better now. Why does this keep happening? Alright, look at that. Really nice setup. So that's a nice remote. Take a look at it. Oh yeah, I have a flash drive on here, so tries opening a flash drive, but anyways, look at that. I don't have a Wolf launcher on this. It's a custom TV launcher. I really don't care. That's the Google TV launcher. Let's go back to the normal launcher. The one I installed, but look at that. Nice. Cool, right? So, set up everything. Now, I downloaded custom icons for my Wii and Xbox. They do work. So, there's still HDMI 3 and AV. No, let's take a look at the Wii. The sensor bar up top. There we go. That looks awesome. Let's just turn the auto real quick. But yeah, that's awesome. The box is right here. That's the box. Boom. Xbox is also gonna work. Let's see what happens when I press it. Alright, I don't think it actually has CEC. Oh, it does. Look at that. So that's the quick menu. If you press this, or press this button, it comes up with that menu. Fancy. That's some volume stuff. Just download a bunch of apps. I don't know why I downloaded IPTV. Because I don't have a provider, but is this even gonna work? Am I gonna get free TV with this? Sample channel. Oh, it's not to add a playlist. Oh, so these are just free TV, basically, like stuff that's supposed to be free. They're just demo channels. I see. I might actually end up watching this, not gonna lie. I don't know if I should be doing this, but there's VLC, Cody. Let's go on Twitch. Let's go on Twitch. Let's watch some Queso. Well, imagine get copyrighted by Queso. Boom. I can watch Queso on here. Let's go to YouTube. There's a dedicated YouTube button. I might actually use that button. Turn on autofocus. I might actually use this button. No, it's just stuff I watch on YouTube. Let's play one of my videos. What should I do? Let's do 8th grade graduation. What is that quality? This is 1080p 60? What? I don't know why it looks terrible. Maybe it's because of how I exported it, but I took some videos at the school. It was pretty crazy. But yeah, pretty crazy. Can't believe I've uploaded so much crap. I'm actually traveling actual videos. Some of my music. But yeah, play some more music here. Master Oogway music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Oh my god, these ads. I keep getting bombarded by ads. There we go. I don't get copyrighted. I listen to that stuff though. Alright. Oh my god, let's do that. This is literally the music I listen to, no joke. This is literally what I listen to all day. I'm not even joking. I don't know why. I don't know what I watch on YouTube, but yeah. It's AV on here. I need an adapter for that, but like, because this uses like a headphone jack thingy for AV and it doesn't come with it for whatever reason, but AV does work on here. Composite, I believe it is. So Google Play Store. But yeah, this is the best launcher. And this is just a normal Google TV. And this is what it came with. But I edited it, so if I press the home button, and now it comes up with a normal Google TV. Like, my custom launcher, the Wolf launcher. Pretty nice. Pretty crazy. File manager. I'm gonna run my USB drive, actually. Boom. It's like custom wallpaper as well, but that's pretty much it for today's video. So let's get a quick thumbnail shot. God, this won't focus correctly, but. How am I supposed to do this? Do I turn on flash? Hey, there you go. That looks nice. If I turn on flash, it's gonna look good. Just put this in front of here. TCL. Let's put thumbnail shot. Alright, I think that's good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's subscribe, comment. Bye.